Fourth one is the flame and induction hardening. What is the process? So localized surface hardening using the high temperature flame or flame hardening or electromagnetic induction hardening. We talk about the application parts. Then the shaft, gears, and components require the localized hardening. The fifth one is the vacuum and plasma hardening, which is very advanced. Okay, the process, which is a heat treatment in a vacuum or plasma environment. You know what is plasma? Plasma is the fourth state. You know that the third state, three state. First is a solid, second is liquid, and third one is gases. And fourth, before after the gases, what the phases that we get, that is known as plasma. Okay, okay, so heat treatment in the vacuum or plasma environment to prevent oxidation and decarbonizations. Okay, these are the main target. Okay, so that we can prevent the oxidations. As we know that oxygen is present in environment in air, and they can uh, you know uh, react with the surface of molecules, surface of materials, and during the heat treatment, and they can make the oxide layers. For that, we do the plasma environment or in the vacuum, so that in a vacuum you would not having the any air. Okay, vacuum means what? You are not having any air, and if you are not having the any air, it means you are in the environment where no oxygen is there. So we can easily prevent oxidations. We talk about the application parts, then the high precision tools and aerospace components. These are the just application parts.